buyer or seller? We have all heard the real estate saying, it's a seller's market or the buyer is in control. But which one is right? As a buyer or seller in today's housing market, have you thought that who determines the market? Hi, I am Suma Sri, the realtor and real estate broker. Seems like not a day goes by when we don't read or hear headlines on the housing market, whether it is in regard to mortgage rates, housing prices or inventory. In fact, it can be quite confusing to either a buyer or a seller on who is in the driver's seat. So, what data do real estate professionals analyze when looking at the market? It is the supply and the demand of inventory. Typically, when supply is low and buyer demand is high, it tends to be a seller's market. If there is an oversupply of listings, that can indicate a buyer's market. An oversupply of inventory shows that demand has cooled and shifting the control to the buyer. To break it down even further, as a real estate professionals, we look at the absorption rate of a specific area. What a so-called experts say in regards to the absorption rate is that if there is less than 5 months supply of homes available, it is a seller's market. A 5 to 7 month supply indicates a balanced market, and anything more than a 7 month supply means it is a buyer's market. However, I do not agree with this too, as each area, neighborhood, city and state will vary. For example, right now in my area, if a home is on the market longer than even 45 days, it is a sign that home is probably priced too high. So, although the experts have given their opinion on what traditionally a seller's market or the buyer market is, it is really imperative that you consult a seasonal experienced real estate expert to show you the local data. Let us look at what has been happening nationally. Nationally, we have been in more of a seller's market with lower inventory levels. According to Realtor.com, economic research analyst Jones says that, and I quote, the market is still leaning towards a seller's market but has gained balance since COVID when the market was red hot. The last true buyer's market was in 2012 when housing inventory was a little over 7 months, meaning it has been 12 years since supply outweighed demand. End of the quote. Of course, this market is not a slam dunk for sellers. It is also a challenging to be a seller. More sellers hold a mortgage with a lower interest rate than today's rate. This means if they sell, they would be purchasing in a higher priced market. So, although it is more favorable to be a seller in today's market, sellers like buyers face higher rates and home prices too. In fact, experts says that market feels more like a limbo market where both buyer and seller feel conflicted about the overall economy. But either way, don't give up, as owning real estate is still the number one way to build your net worth over time. If you would like more information on the current inventory in your local area, home prices and days on market, please reach out to us today. We can help you to prepare your home to go to the market and get the best possible return on your investment. Once again, this is Suma Sri, the real estate broker with tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you do, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.